So before we get into this video, I just want to quickly let you know that with the new Uhome 2400M, you only require one Wi-Fi dongle, and that Wi-Fi dongle gets attached to the master battery, which is the top battery of the pack.
Hi there. Today I'll be showing you how to connect the new Uhome 2400M batteries to the internet. These batteries are a little bit different to the old 2.4 models as they have a dedicated Wi-Fi dongle. You'll still need the same Uhome app that you used before, and you'll need to make sure that the batteries are powered up, the dongle has a red light illuminated on it, and that you're connected to the customer's 2.4 GHz network. Once you've done all that, open up the Uhome app and tap on Config Wi-Fi. You're going to use the ESP BLE option, and of course make sure to accept any permissions that the Uhome app may ask for, such as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and nearby devices. You'll see the serial number of your battery appearing in the connect option. You're going to tap on the connect button, give it a moment, and then you'll see the serial number for the battery appear in the list. Then you'll need to tap on Config Wi-Fi, and this is similar to the traditional setup, but it's not the same, so don't get yourself confused. You'll need to pop in the customer's Wi-Fi password, leave the pack count, it doesn't matter how many batteries you've got on the system, ensure it's always set to 1, and you're going to change it from multicast to broadcast at the bottom there. Then start BLE config, and it'll say the config command has been sent. Go back to the home page, and then you're going to use the online check option to see if the battery's online. You can scan the serial number of the battery, and we can see here there's a date and time showing us that the system's online. It may not show up immediately, as you might need to give it a couple of minutes to get itself connected, so you might have to double check once or twice, but once that date updates to the minute that you're on, you should be good to go. A couple of things worth noting as well. Of course, as mentioned before, these are a little bit different to the Uhome 2.4s, as they have their own dedicated Wi-Fi dongles, but you'll only need to use the dongle on the master battery. Once you've got everything connected with the other batteries in terms of communications, they should also be online and accessible. These new batteries can also be hardwired via the LAN port, and this process is automatic and doesn't require any configuration.